confused between different types of calligraphy like brush, pointed pen or even faux calligraphy? Don't worry, let me guide you through these 3 different types of calligraphy in detail. Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. So if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel. So calligraphy can be divided into many different types depending upon the art supplies being used. For example, broad edge calligraphy, pointed pen, brush pen or even faux calligraphy and much more. In this video, we are going to discuss about 3 main types of calligraphy: faux calligraphy, which is also known as fake calligraphy, brush pen and modern style pointed pen calligraphy. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the most common type of calligraphy is the brush pen, or simply called brush calligraphy. In this type, we either use a paintbrush or a brush pen for calligraphy. Traditionally, artists use a round paintbrush for brush calligraphy, ensuring that the upstrokes are thin and the downstrokes are thick. Due to development in technology, we now use brush pens for the same. Brush pen is a pen with flexible brush tip to ensure the variations in stroke thickness. You can either use watercolors or gouache paints with a round paintbrush or a brush pen for this type of calligraphy. To learn more about brush pen calligraphy, you can check out the part 1 to 4 of Basics of Brush Calligraphy and purchase brush calligraphy kit from my website to save all the time and effort in finding workbooks and supplies and invest that time in learning. Just like brush calligraphy, pointed pen calligraphy also has thin and thick strokes. In pointed pen calligraphy, we use a nib, a holder and ink to write. The basic foundation of thin and thick strokes remain the same as brush pen calligraphy. Pointed pen calligraphy can be either modern or traditional. Modern calligraphy involves basic strokes and focuses more on developing your own style, whereas traditional calligraphy involves scripts like copperplate, Spencerian, etc., which focuses on strict rules and guidelines being followed while writing. To learn more about art supplies used in pointed pen calligraphy, you can watch the video on the overview of pointed pen calligraphy supplies. You can also purchase pointed pen calligraphy kit from my website, which contains workbooks and all the supplies needed for pointed pen calligraphy, to save your time and effort in finding all the supplies separately and invest that time in practice and learning. The word faux means fake. So faux calligraphy basically means fake calligraphy. In all sorts of calligraphy, we have a specialized art supply which ensures the stroke variation. Like in pointed pen calligraphy, we need nib and holder, while in brush pen calligraphy, we need brush pens or a paintbrush. But we can fake that stroke variation using regular pens and pencils too. Faux calligraphy is an inexpensive and easier way to start your calligraphy journey, as you don't need any special art supplies for that. Let's check an example. I'll write the word faux in faux calligraphy. Now, after learning about brush and pointed pen calligraphy, we know that the downstrokes are thick and the upstrokes are thin. So for the downstrokes in this word, we'll thicken the strokes and fill in like this. We'll do the same in all the thick downstrokes and we'll keep the thin upstrokes as it is. That's how we can easily fake the calligraphy strokes using a regular pen, and in faux calligraphy we don't need any special art supplies, and hence it is really inexpensive and the best way to start your calligraphy journey. To learn more about faux calligraphy in detail, you can purchase digital or physical workbooks on faux calligraphy from my website. Before ending the video, let's look at all the 3 types of calligraphy once again. Let's write the word hello in faux, brush and pointed pen calligraphy. calligraphy is a really inexpensive way to begin your calligraphy journey, as it does not require any special art supplies or any expensive art supplies. You can use your regular pen and pencil for learning faux calligraphy. Even I started my calligraphy journey with faux calligraphy in 2018 because I was not sure that I would like calligraphy in future or not. So you can definitely start your calligraphy journey with faux calligraphy, as it will help you in understanding the basic strokes, the stroke formation, the letter formation and the word formation. And then you can upgrade your calligraphy skills by learning different styles like pointed pen, brush pen or even broad edge calligraphy. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any doubts or queries regarding faux calligraphy, brush pen or pointed pen calligraphy, please drop them in the comments section. Also, if you have any suggestions or topics that you want me to cover in the future YouTube videos, please let me know in the comment section. Would love to make videos especially for all of you. See you next week with a new video. Bye.